What if I told you that every time AI makes a mistake, it actually gets smarter? Yep, machines learn the same way we do, by failing, over and over again, until they don't. Backpropagation is the reason your phone can recognize your face, ChatGPT can write essays, and AI can beat humans at chess. It's not some magic formula, it's literally how machines learn from their mistakes. In this video, you'll see how one mathematical idea from the 1980s became the brain's self-correcting mirror for machines, teaching neural networks to adjust, improve, and eventually master almost anything. Alright, let's break it down. Imagine you're learning to shoot basketball hoops. You take a shot, you miss. You think, okay, I threw too hard, so next time you adjust. That's backpropagation, but for machines. Here's what happens inside an AI's brain. Step 1. The guess. The AI takes input, say a photo of a cat, and makes a prediction. This is a dog. Oops, wrong. Step 2. The comparison. It checks how wrong it was using something called a loss function. This measures the gap between what it guessed and the correct answer. Step 3. The blame game. Now the AI asks, which part of my brain caused that mistake? Backpropagation goes layer by layer, from output to input, assigning blame to every connection that played a role in the error. Step 4. The fix. Using a method called gradient descent, each connection adjusts slightly, like tightening or loosening a guitar string, until the sound, or prediction, gets better. This process happens millions of times, across billions of parameters, and with each iteration, the AI gets just a bit better at seeing, speaking, translating, and thinking. Backpropagation is what turns raw data into intelligence. It's the secret behind deep learning, literally teaching computers to learn how to learn. But here's the catch. Backpropagation wasn't always loved. In the early days of AI, the idea of teaching machines this way was seen as impossible. Computers weren't powerful enough, and neural networks were dismissed as toys. Even worse, training them required so much data and time that researchers joked, "You'll finish training when your grandkids retire." Then came 2012, the ImageNet moment. A neural network trained with backpropagation suddenly crushed every record in image recognition. That one breakthrough reignited the entire AI revolution. So, the question became, how did this old overlooked idea suddenly become the heart of modern AI? The answer lies in three things: data, compute, and patience. Once GPUs entered the game, backpropagation could finally scale. Instead of a few neurons, we could train billions of them, all learning together, all correcting their mistakes in real time. Here's the beauty of it. Every time AI messes up, it's not failure, it's feedback. Think of it like your brain learning a new language. The more you mess up, the faster you improve, if you know what went wrong. Backpropagation gives AI that aha moment, the ability to trace back its errors and adjust intelligently. Without it, deep learning would just be deep guessing. Here's the mind-blowing part. Every AI breakthrough you've ever heard of, GPT, DALL, AlphaGo, even Tesla's Autopilot, all rely on backpropagation at their core. It's not just math, it's a philosophy of learning. Fall, analyze, adjust, rise. Exactly how humans evolved intelligence. In a way, backpropagation turned machines into our mirror. They learn from their past to create a smarter future. So next time you see an AI generate art, write code, or beat humans at games, remember, it didn't start smart, it started wrong. And each wrong answer built the foundation for something smarter. That's the art of backpropagation. Turning every failure into progress, every mistake into mastery. Subscribe for more such videos and click on bell icon to get updated.